let's try to withdraw this my Ton. As you can see, I've met the minimum withdrawal threshold of 0.4, and I also have the fee, right? So let me just click on withdraw to see if it's going to work or not, right? So, right, they say minimum withdrawal is 0.4, as you can see right here, and network fee is 0.01, and I also have it, right? So they say you should type in your personal address here. Let me just let me go and click and copy my address, and I'll be right back. So while copying your address, please make sure you're using a Tonkeeper wallet, and you're using a wallet that you don't have any assets in, right? I recommend that you use a new wallet. I actually created this wallet for this video, so for the sake of this video and for the sake of this job, right? So I'm gonna click on receive to copy. I'm gonna receive. Just click on receive. I clicked on receive, and I'll just click on copy, right? So I just copied, and then I'll go back to my Tonee. So we're here. I'm gonna paste it. I'm gonna paste the address right here. And let me just select all. Let me just let me quickly click on paste, and then I'll impute everything. Okay, I'm gonna click on max to withdraw everything, right? And then I'll click on send. Let's see if it's going to work. They say withdraw successful. Let's see if we're going to receive this in our destination or not, right? So I'll give it some time. I'll give this thing some time for them to send this to my address, to the address that I imputed here. So if it finally, if it eventually reflects on my Tonkeeper wallet, I'm going to make a video to show you guys that. If it doesn't, I'm going to tell you guys what's up, right? So that's that. Okay, so let's close this place, and as you can see, it's showing 0 ton balance, right? So the next thing here is there's a new update that the Tonee mining, the actual Tonee mining has started, right? So to participate in that, let's go to the home page and see. Right, so they say Tonee mining, Tonee token mining is live now, right? So it's now live. So as previously announced, the mining phase of Tonee has officially resumed and is now open to all users. The default mining speed of Tonee will be 1 gigahash per second, and will increase accordingly when you upgrade your miner. They are always emphasizing on that. Please log into your app, to the app right now to start mining Tonee and get ready for the upcoming journey with Tonee tokens. They are always emphasizing on this upgrading of miner, and a lot of persons have reviewed it, and a lot of persons are complaining that they can't even withdraw even with the miner. Right, so let's click on mining Tonee. Let's go back to the app to see. Yeah. So to mine this Tonee, all you have to do is to switch from Ton mining to Tonee mining. So how you do that is just to click on Tonee mining. Click here. So I click on Tonee mining. As you can see, it's activated and it's mining right here. So now at intervals, you can click on claim Tonee to withdraw to you are going to be claiming this to fill up this your balance. So just click on claim Tonee, right? It has filled my balance right here to 52,000 Tonee, right? So the new phase has started again at the rate of 1 gigahash per second speed, right? So that is it. And on invite, you're given 100 Tonee bonus for every account you invited, right? And you can also receive 10% cashback in turn each time your friends rent a miner booster. So my advice My suggestion, because I'm not your financial advisor. My suggestion would be that you should take this. You should not invest in this thing because a lot of persons are already complaining about it. You shouldn't invest your money in here. But all you have to do is just do the free one. Just refer your friends and just invite your friends and just mine whatever free gigahash per second they are giving you to mine this thing. Just use it to mine. And mine in peace so that you will not be sleeping one eye closed and the other eye is open, thinking uh sometimes you're renting. Look at here now. Look. Let's click on this upgrade miner. Let me show you something. Click on upgrade miner, right? They say you're renting this miner for 30 days and 142%. Who does that? For just 30 days, 142% is too much. And for 30 days, you'll be waiting and like your money will be there. You wait and wait and wait and wait. You're renting for 30 days. My dear, if you if I were you, I would just let this mining booster rest. I would just allow it to rest and do the free thing. This is an airdrop for crying out loud. It's not an investment. This thing they are doing here, this thing is an investment and it's Ponzi, it's a scam. It's a big scam. Because which which company in the world gives 142% in 30 days? So use your head, right? So that's basically what I have to tell you. Right, so if you have so much money, you can try investing and see for yourself. Then you tell us the story at the end of the day. I love you guys. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.